Hello friends, this is Sai Phanindra from SQL School, and this short video is about Azure Data Engineering, what it is and the upcoming schedules for next 2 weeks from our school. As a data engineer, our main job role is about design of historical databases called data warehouses. We need to involve in data extraction, orchestration activities. We need to involve in the concept of data cleansing activities and good amount of transformations mean changing the look and feel of our data, storage, big data storage, security and optimization. So in this journey we'll slowly step into the detailed understanding of example based scenarios with respect to data warehouse, ETL and Azure Data Factory. ETL means extraction, transformation, and big data loads. Data Factory, Data Lake, Delta Lake, One Lake, Spark, PySpark, and Databricks. These are the major activities we need to learn in our classes. This is Sai Phanindra from SQL School. I assure you complete practice orientation from scratch, right from the basics, right from the very start of data warehouse and ETL. Over 19 years of technical expertise, completely dedicated to databases, data platform, Microsoft cloud technologies, and big data. We'll start from the very ABC of databases in cloud. We'll be working with end-to-end implementations. We'll be understanding how, what, where, when, with examples. As a data engineer, we are concentrating on getting the data, extracting the data from various data sources. From there, we would be involved in few ETL implementation strategies. From there, we need to step into data warehouse, big data loads. So all these left side data sources, I would be providing you in our classes. And what we do, we derive data, required data would be extracted from these data sources. Do ETL. There are two different ways to do ETL. And then load data to a warehouse. There are again two different ways to get into warehouse. From there, you can extend your learning to Power BI, reporting analysis. You may extend your learning to data scientists, data science activities. The green items on the screen is the main cool cake that we need to take away from our classes carefully. So in our lengthy 7 weeks journey, fully packed with examples, we'll start from the basics of Azure fundamentals. We'll be starting from Azure databases, pools, storage account, data lake, Databricks, data factory, Synapse Analytics, Synapse pools, IoT, event hubs, and Azure resources to monitor Active Directory keywords, Azure metrics, alerts, clusters, databases, tables, so on. We are more into big data, Spark technology, ETL management, and right side you see migration, streaming, clusters, PySpark, widgets, workflows, and so on. Coming to the prerequisite for this course, yes, to enjoy our detailed, useful, step-by-step journey and to enjoy the project work we are going to learn in our classes, it's good to have SQL Server T-SQL queries, joins, constraints, those, and especially joins and group by queries, we need to have the knowledge on the SQL basics, so that we can slowly step into our actual end-to-end implementation plan. Remember, As a data engineer, we are more into big data, storage, data warehousing, and ETL technologies. But the basement SQLs our Microsoft T-SQL queries. I repeat once again, joins and group by. We need to have understanding of those items. Our course is into box 5, planned for 7 weeks. Experience profiles, you may do box 6, Power BI, or later, after 5 and 6, blend them together into Microsoft Fabric. Choice is yours. You may plan your beautiful resume practically, tactically, carefully. My complete support for your learning process. And the schedules for data engineering. 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. India time from Feb 27, or 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. from Feb 19, 2024. Similarly, we have schedules for Power BI and schedules for SQL. In case if you are looking for refresher on SQL, you may choose one of these schedules, either India morning left, India evening time right. Data engineer morning left, data engineer morning, say evening right, India time. Power BI morning left, Power BI evening right. And I would be the trainer. I am the only trainer from our school for these beautiful colorful technologies. You may contact me directly on my LinkedIn or my mobile number, or you may contact our nice friendly team 24/7 support team for more enquiries or details or any further clarifications or questions. Or you may reach our website sqlschool.com, and you have the WhatsApp chat over there available 24/7 for more clarifications, doubts, etc. See you soon in our actual classes.